right.
Breathe.
This stretch is to stretch out the front of that right thigh and hip. All right, your right leg should just be relaxed, letting it hang off that table. If you need to add a little more stretch, you can bend that right knee a little more. Nope, leave your head down. The right knee you could bend a little more if you wanted to add a more stretch, but don't let that knee come up. Relax the leg down. Okay, good. Let's try one on the other side. So bend both knees, put your feet on the mat, and now slide your hips over towards the left. And now just let that left leg go off the table. Good. Bring the right knee up towards your chest, just nice and relaxed. There you go. And now you should feel a stretch in the front of your left thigh and hip. Don't let the left knee come up. Yeah, just relax it down. All right, and if it's too much stretch, you can let your right foot go down on the mat. And does that make it a little easier? Yeah. That's because you just don't have the flexibility yet. So this is okay. Relax your arms. No, that's okay. You can just let your arms stay down. Just relax your arms. Yeah, there you go. You can hold this stretch again about 30 seconds and repeat.